Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a recap to share with you. These are some of the projects that we've been working on with the Misfits, who's Ebony and myself, on Tuesday and Thursday. And we're working on our swap that we're hosting. And let me just get that for you. It's called the Disney Villain Swap. And here you go. So I'm going to show you the wand that I completed. I completed this off camera because I needed to use my Cricut, and you know, the fiasco with the running more than one thing at a time. Cricut doesn't like that. So I didn't have enough memory space is what it is. So you've seen all of this, the rosette, the little mesh. So what I did is I printed these up through Cricut, print and cut, added her horns here. And these are little double layer horns. I also used some Nuvo and some, what is this called? Stickles. I used my Stickles and my Nuvo, and I outlined her horn, so we got all that detail showing. I also put some clear Stickles around the rosette. All right, so here I added the Just Call Me Queen. Again, I printed this on Cricut, using Cricut Design Space onto some Walmart glitter printable paper. Same with the horn. So that is the wand. Again, sticking with the Cricut, I did cut up some ephemera, some print and cut. Some of them I put the sticker laminate, you know, the holographic sticker onto that. And you do it before you cut it. So I have a few videos on my channel where I show how to apply the laminate onto your page, and then you stay within the guide marks. That way it doesn't mess up your Cricut machine trying to read it and all that, and then you don't get that error. All right, so for Tuesday on my channel, I created the box. Okay, I created the box, added the little acetate to put the flap on, and on Thursday I completed the layering pieces. I did off camera, but for the box itself, the embellishment box, I did add some of the designer paper on the outside and then onto the inside just to cover up all my glue, because you could see from the inside all the glue when you attach this on. So that is the box. I want to cut another image with the Cricut of Maleficent, somehow put it on here, and it's going to be a flat image because when you put it into this box for box, there's no real space there for you to put any foam layering pieces. And then for my belly band, I just took my a piece of paper and glued on this side and this side. So I had something to glue my ribbon onto, or my trim, layered on some of my grosgrain ribbon. And then I used the rosette from Ebony. She's got the tricolor rosette here. I put that on the background, and I added the laminate images onto the front, just giving it some different levels, different height. You can see that right there. They're all in different levels. All right, so this is Maleficent back here, the dragon. So yeah, I did that. Next week, hopefully, when you join us, we'll be working on more of the swap items. So these two side pockets are meant for a beatable extended pen. So this is an extended bar, and I wanted to use that to include in this embellishment box. So there you go. That is my box. I covered it with more of the designer paper. I still need to work on my stickers so I can add my labels on the back here. And yeah, there you have it. So far I have my wand, my embellishment box, and yeah. The other thing is the pocket letter. So like I said, we'll be working on the pocket letter later. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. And see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.